Morning everyone, and welcome to Rarotonga in the Cook Islands. Just this minute got up, we arrived here late last night. Just woke up, that's where we've been sleeping. This is our little shack on the beach, whatever you want to call it. And just look at this outside. What the hell, man. Proper Paradise Island vibes. I've been some pretty mad places, but this is one of the maddest, without a doubt. Look at that. That's where we're staying, that middle cabin there. Right on the beach. So the wind's been battering the cabin all night, but the smell of the fresh sea air, just can't beat it. Cannot beat it. But this little shit here, this cock, has been cock-a-doodle doing since about 4 o'clock this morning. So yeah, I had much sleep, but I can't complain because look where I am. What a place. What a place. Rarotonga High Street. Look at that, the mountains in the back there. I'm just trying to hire a bike from this place, but the guy's not there, so we're just waiting for him.
Just hired a scooter. There's Joe. From this place.
So we've just got a bike, as you've seen from that footage from this place. Oh no, it's not, sorry, no, it's from there. Raro Cars and Rentals. Woman was a bit miserable, can't lie. But how much did it cost us?
It's $25 a day.
$25 a day.
But extra $7 for another helmet.
Oh yeah, you had to pay $7 for Chanel's helmet, and then we had to pay $10 for insurance. And there's Casey, hey! So I'm trying my first Cook Island scone with blueberries inside it. So this is what the people of Rarotonga do on a Saturday morning. This is the local market. Loads of nice food and drink. Just had a cake. Beautiful place. Let me say, isn't that cute? Samaringa. Is that she trying to say you're beautiful?
Yeah.
I didn't get that on mine.
I didn't.
Unfortunately, it mustn't be beautiful. Mad scenes here in Rarotonga. Got all the rugby shirts. Big into rugby, this part of the world, as you probably know. Not into football like us in the UK. Look at that, that's cool. Is this local Cook Islands food? Local food?
They're all Cook Islands food. And they're all come from New Zealand.
Yeah, we'll try one, eh? Why not? What's your recommendation?
Oh, go for one of the combos.
One of the combos?
Yeah. Pork chop?
Should we have a combo?
Yeah.
Go on, we'll have a combo. So, first meal of the Cook Islands, and getting lamb, sausage, one of these combos basically. Oh, here. We've gone for lamb. The mushroom sauce. Come on then. The vibes here in the Cook Islands, and you got the music in the background. Polynesian music, I think it is. Let's go have a look what they're doing. What's up, Rog? Oh.
Nice stuff.
Yeah, boy.
Full fish.
Tuna them. So just outside the liquor shop here in Rarotonga, and look at them for views. You don't get that at your bargain booze in Droylsden or Biddulph, do you? And you've got the sea there. Ready? Right, so if you need a SIM card on the Cook Islands, this is your place here, Vodaphone. How much it cost us, Chanel?
$49.
$49 for an eSIM. You don't have to have a physical SIM card, it's all on the internet. Very easy to set up. Vodaphone. So this is Casey's gaff. What fruit's that up there, Casey?
Hiya, what are you doing?
Not bad at all, eh? This is where our friend from England's living, from Manchester, in this little shack here. Some place. Hey?
Couldn't fill me water.
Oh. Just arrived at the beach. Like, just look at this. Looks like a swimming pool, for God's sake.
Oh my god.
Oh my days. This is what it's about, folks. Cook Islands, this is why you come. Look at that then. Well, this is Casey's home, this is where she lives. Wow. Not bad at all. I think this is the best beach I've ever seen in my life, actually. It's quiet. Look at the sea.
Where's the best spot?
What a mega place. Unbelievable. Cheers all. So here we are. What's this place called? Charlie's Cafe. Overlooking that. Jug of beer, $15.
We'll just pit.
Right people, so next on the cards we're going to the Umu experience, which is like a cultural Cook Islands show where we get like traditional food with traditional dancing. So I'm looking forward to it because this big belly needs feeding up. But yeah, as again, look at these views here. Look at all these chickens. Wild chickens are everywhere on the Cook Islands and they keep jumping up on the balcony here and trying to get in the room. Little shits. Weather's still hot, but Bit cloudy as you can see, but absolutely stunning. Been swimming with turtles today and loads of fish, parrotfish, rays, although I didn't see the not stingrays, some sort of ray. But yeah, it's absolutely epic place, beautiful scenery. So yeah, looking forward to what's coming next. Cheers. Quick little beer while Chanel's getting ready. So these are the views when you step out of our hut. We've got the mountains up there. I don't know how much the GoPro's picking it up, but absolutely mega. Yo chickens, what you doing? Oh shit. And then straight onto the beach. Such a pure place. Just the smell of the salt and the sea. Not a great deal going on here. If you're a bit like me and you've got like, you can't chill, ADHD basically, there's nothing to do really, but that's what it's about, coming and sitting on the beaches, chilling, snorkeling, going up to the mountains, which we haven't done yet. We're doing that tomorrow. We're going on a little hike tomorrow. But how can you beat this? So without getting all, what's the word, philosophical slash emotional slash spiritual, whatever the word is, pretty magical just sat here. But I can never take it in. I can never sort of live in the moment. My head's always like elsewhere, thinking about the next thing, or thinking about what I'm doing in a bit, or thinking about what I've been doing, rather than just being present in the moment. Because this is a special place. You're in the middle of nowhere. You're in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Epic beaches, just unbelievable. But I just want to be present. Look at this over here, without me absolutely chatting waffle. Look at the colours in the sky. Shit, look what she's got, a camera from the 90s. Right, anyway, I've been chatting absolute waffle on this camera, so just enjoy this for 20 seconds. I'll put some nice music on and make it all like posh. Here we go, we've arrived. Umu Experience, Rarotonga. So here we go, big feed, can't wait for that. So all these paintings behind us here that you've just seen is the guy's family that runs this Umu Experience. All them there are his family. Cheers all.
And welcome. If this is your first time to the Cook Islands, raise your hand up. Oh wow, welcome here. And he's still living. He's well known for his work in crafts. So he carves. It's located at the National Church of the Cook Islands.
So here we go, the show's starting.
Malaysia, that's how the grapefruit plants arrive to the Cook Islands. And if you, and this
time to eat. Proper island food. Right, so it's nearly tea time. As I've just shown you before, you've got the meat that's been cooked underground, which is like the pork, and I think he said lamb. I couldn't quite remember what he said, and some like vegetables and stuff. And you've got all these sides here: chicken curry, chop suey, beef stir fry, taro and maniota, local potatoes which I tried the other day, not like the potatoes you get at home. Obviously there's food about, so I forgot to film, but it's nice. It's functional.
So say kia ora to your partner.
So there you are, folks. What a brilliant night, absolutely mega. Highly recommend it. Umu experience, I'll tag it in the bottom. And here's the owner, come say hello. What's your name? Terry?
Terry.
Come and see Terry at the Umu experience. Thank you, my friend, beautiful experience.
I heard you've got a YouTube.
I have, yeah, this is for the YouTube.
Hello YouTube people. Come to Rarotonga.
Come to Rarotonga, come and see this guy. Say that Josh has sent you off YouTube. All the best, thank you. Right then, folkies. I think that's about it from the Cook Islands. Just checking out of the, it's not a hotel, whatever you want to call it, beach shack. Just going to have one little last dip in the sea there. And then we're going around Casey's for tea. So yeah, I hope this video has come out well. I haven't really put that much effort into filming it, to be honest with you, because I've just been enjoying myself. But hopefully the footage shows you how amazing and beautiful this place is. Gonna have a little dip in the sea one last time. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.